stop your launch. Alan, you're still alive. Within the next month, I halted the plan to explore beyond the sun, citing the risk that the star bridge particle power could cause a massive explosion. I destroyed all related data and equipment, leaving only the basic information. That day, my mentor, Professor Zhou Yiming, came to my laboratory. Mucheng, why did you shut down the Star Bridge Particle project? What risk could there be in increasing the power? We've debated this repeatedly and run countless tests. How can there still be a risk? I told Professor Zhou Yiming about my encounter with Cullen. Nonsense. You can't explain this with such baseless claims. Are you still a scientist? Professor Zhou Yiming took the remaining data and left the lab. In fact, scientists have already proven that stars and human genes share 98.5% similarity. Humanity can't refute the theory that humans evolved from stars, but the remaining 5% difference represents evolution itself. It is truly the gene combination of the star global people. There is no direct proof yet. Dinosaurs under the South Pole, the Carillons on the moon. Should we be proving these secrets about humanity? Should humans continue to develop high technology? These questions have weighed on my mind for a long time. When I was lost in endless confusion, I suddenly received an email. Dear Mr. Li Muchen, I am William from the American Gene Technology Group. I invite you to visit our laboratory. I have something important to discuss with you. With a nervous heart, I set out on my journey to America. I was greeted by a bald man in a suit. Welcome to the US Genetic Technology Group. You've met Cullen, haven't you? You know Cullen too? My name is William. I'm his new lover. I came to Earth with Cullen 66 million years ago. Cullen should have told you everything already. Cullen said there may still be star-linked people living on Earth. That's true. We have very long lifespans unless we die accidentally. When Cullen left Earth with the 4 twins and went into hiding on the moon, I separated from the others and lived among humans for millions of years. In these millions of years, I personally witnessed the development of Earth's people. The earliest humans were very kind and we lived in harmony. But as human technology developed, people became increasingly selfish. Those who gained control of technology began to plunder and rule others, while most humans struggled just to survive. They had long forgotten that it was the star-linked people who created them. They forgot their mission to protect the Earth and revive the star-linked civilization. I want to transform humans again. Will you join me? What? Transform humans again?